What if I told you most billionaires don't actually make their money the way you think they do? Many people believe billionaires became rich because of big salaries. But the truth is, their real wealth comes from something completely different. Today, we're breaking down how people like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and other billionaires actually built massive wealth. And once you understand this, you may never look at money the same way again. Let's start with Jeff Bezos. Most people think Bezos became rich because he owns Amazon. But here's the interesting part. Jeff Bezos was not paying himself billions every year. His real wealth came from ownership. He owned a large percentage of Amazon shares. As Amazon grew, the value of those shares exploded, meaning while the company grew, his wealth grew automatically. This is one of the biggest secrets of the wealthy. They don't just earn money, they own assets. Now let's talk about Elon Musk. Elon Musk didn't become the richest man in the world because of salary either. In fact, for years, his official salary at Tesla was almost nothing. Instead, Musk earned through company stock rewards. When Tesla succeeded, his ownership became worth billions. It's a risky strategy, because if the company fails, everything disappears. But when it works, the rewards are massive. And if you're enjoying learning how wealth really works behind the scenes, make sure you subscribe to Legacy Lab. Because here, we break down success in ways most people never hear about. Now let's look at Warren Buffett, probably one of the smartest investors in history. Unlike tech billionaires, Buffett didn't build rockets or online stores. He invested, but not the way most people do. While many people chase quick profits, Buffett focused on long-term investments, companies with strong foundations. Then he waited, sometimes for decades. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, owns parts of major businesses around the world, and those businesses continuously generate money. That's called compound growth, money making more money over time. Here's something interesting. Most billionaires follow similar rules. They build or buy systems, businesses, technology, investments, assets that grow even when they are sleeping. Meanwhile, most people depend on one income source, a paycheck. And that difference changes everything. Let me ask you something. If you suddenly had millions today, would you know how to grow it? Or would it disappear over time? Comment below. I really want to know your thoughts. Another thing billionaires understand is scale. A normal business might serve hundreds of people, but companies like Amazon or Tesla serve millions globally. The bigger the impact, the bigger the income. That's why technology created so many modern billionaires. It allows ideas to reach the entire world. And if this video is helping you understand money differently, subscribe now, because the next videos will break down even deeper wealth strategies. But here's the truth many people ignore. Billionaires also take massive risks. Jeff Bezos nearly lost Amazon in the early days. Elon Musk once invested almost all his money trying to save Tesla and SpaceX. Failure was very close. Success wasn't guaranteed, but persistence separated them from everyone else. So maybe becoming wealthy isn't only about money, it's about vision, ownership, patience, and understanding how systems grow over time. Because the richest people in the world don't chase money directly. They build things that produce money, again and again. So the real lesson is simple. If you want wealth, start thinking beyond income. Think ownership. Think long-term growth. Think value creation. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to Legacy Lab for more videos about wealth, billionaires, and the systems behind success. And tell me in the comments, which billionaire's journey inspires you the most? I'll see you in the next video.